Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 3 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 7 other screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the battery and remove the 4 screws securing it. Lift the battery out of the system. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Disconnect the cables and remove the 4 screws securing the hard drive to the assembly. Lift the hard drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the assembly. Install the 4 screws and reconnect the cables. Place the assembly back in the system and install the 4 screws. Reconnect the cables. Place the battery back in the system and tighten the 4 screws to secure it. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 10 total screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.